So I need a volunteer, somebody who knows about playing cards. Who would like to volunteer? We'll be here a long time, man.
It's been a long time since I played cards.
Huh?
It's been a long time since I played cards, but I know a little bit about cards.
Come on up here, David. Give David a big hand for being the victim. I mean volunteer. So David, every time in my game that I get you to say yes, I get $1 million bucks. If you can catch me saying the same question the same way twice, I have to give you $1 million bucks. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Now, there was one, wasn't it? Thank you, David. Now, in a deck of cards, there's two colors, isn't there?
Yes.
And those colors would be
Red and black.
red and black. Who said it? And I got another yes when he said there's two colors, wasn't there? I wasn't. Scott, man, you're supposed to help me out here. Now, can you name one of those for me, please? Red or black, David?
King.
Did he listen?
Oh, red.
See, right there in my game, he'd have to give me $1 million bucks because he didn't listen.
So I'm in the hole already.
You're in the hole already.
Oh.
But you'd start off with $5 million, but you'd be down to 4, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I'd be down to 4.
There's another one, isn't it? So, between the red and black, can you choose one of those for me, please, David?
Red.
Red, awesome. Now in the red, we're going to have two suits, isn't there?
Mm-hmm.
And those two colors those two suits would be what, David? Hearts and diamonds.
Hearts and diamonds.
Wouldn't you agree?
They are hearts and diamonds. I tried.
Can you
tried.
You're doing good, man. Can you name one of those for me, please? Hearts or diamonds?
King. Hearts.
Hearts. Fantastic. Now, in the hearts, we're going to have face cards and number cards.
Okay.
Isn't that right?
Yeah, you do have face cards and number cards.
Can you name one of those for me, please? Face cards or number cards?
Face, king.
Did you listen? Can you name one of those groups for me, please? Face cards or number cards?
Oh, number cards.
Okay, and if you take those away, what are you left with, David?
Face cards.
Absolutely. Now, is it okay if I break them up in two groups?
Yes.
Now I have a Jack Queen and a King Ace. Isn't that right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you name one of those groups for me, please? Jack Queen or King Ace, David?
King ace.
And if you take that away, what are you left with?
Jack.
You are, aren't you?
Yeah.
Now, between the Jack and the Queen, can you name one of those for me, please?
Jack.
Jack of Hearts?
You didn't ask what.
Well, we're in the hearts, aren't we?
Yeah.
So you want the Jack of Hearts?
Jack hearts.
What is that, David?
Oh shit.
Give him a big hand. See, the thing